Now for the US Embassy. This is a one-of-a-kind building located in Al Mazrah City, and it is very well protected. This is the building over here. So, Al Mazrah City in the northeast of the map, zooming in, right around the center over here, to the northeast, you'll find this icon. This is the US Embassy icon. This entire building here is the US Embassy, and when you use a key to get in here, you'll be able to walk around freely inside. There are many entrances, however, you only need one key use to get in. Once again, it is very well protected. So climbing over the corner in this case, you can see US Embassy. It's simple to find, especially because it's marked on the map, though it is usually very well protected. Many ways in, though you only need one key use, and you've got access to the entire building. So anyways, thank you all for watching. My name's been Techno Behavior Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!